All right, here we go with an FTMO update. This is from all the way in January. It's been a long time, but I'm gonna break things down. So first of all, I'm pretty mad at myself because this is what the lack of discipline and the lack of following your trading rules and your trading strategies will cause you to do. It will cause you to unnecessarily blow accounts. And I told myself coming into back to trading FTMO that I cannot be blowing accounts like I do with futures accounts because FTMO is more expensive. It's way more expensive. So you're blowing a lot of money when you're just doing stupid stuff and blowing accounts. So I was very, very mad when I blew this account, and it was just it really like got to me, not going to cap, because it was very stupid, man. So as you can see, off the rip, just end drawdown, 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 and then boom, tanked. So this is what happened. I'm gonna tell you what happened. All right. So we can go to the little calendar here. So first day, just getting my feet wet, just doing whatever. Second day was horrible, very, very horrible. Then I started to find my groove or whatnot. I believe what was happening was I was trading indices. Trading indices and the markets this week here. As you can see, this was a horrible, horrible, horrible loss. But then basically got it back. Just about got it all back the next 2 days. And then this week here, it was just bad because I just couldn't find any setups with indices. I could not find any setups, and then what happened? I started to go against my trading plan, and I started to seek out forex pairs that I was trading. Um, the last year that I was trading with FTMO, I was looking for forex pairs that I was trading and looking for a setup, and I did find a setup. But I was not thinking, man. I was not thinking. Like, first of all, I did not calculate my position size properly, so I'm not sure how many lots I dropped on the trade, but um, 13 lots is showing right here for the day. That's kind of crazy. So I did not calculate my position size properly, and on top of that, like an idiot, I placed the trade at around four ish, 4 p.m. ish. So how I lost the trade was the spread. The spread took me out. The spread took me out. Boom, blew the challenge. After the spread calmed down, going into the night, what happened? Price, boom, went, hit my take profit, and it would have allowed me to pass phase one. But that's what happens. That's what happens when you don't stay disciplined, you don't follow your trading plan, you don't follow your trading rules, and you just go rogue because you're having FOMO and you don't know how to sit on your hands and wait for the perfect setup to occur. So let's go here. Let's look at my stats. You know what I'm saying? It was a 25K account. Win rate 43, horrible. Um, Average profit um, is horrible compared to the average loss. So yeah, it was pretty bad, pretty bad, pretty bad. So let's go over to okay. So what happened was I started a 10K account. I was like, all right, yo, if I'm going to be doing dumb stuff and blowing accounts, what I need to do is to take a step back, get a smaller account, and be able to just build myself back up to trading bigger accounts, right? So I got a 10K account, and this one kind of confused me. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to lie. I reached out to support about this, and they were not helpful because I do not know how I failed this challenge. So, yes, the whole life of the challenge, I was in drawdown. I know, I know, I know. Market's been real sticky, and this is the objectives. Trade for 10 days. Um, I broke the max daily loss, but I did not break the max loss. Ended up down whole account $460. So here's where things get sticky, right? So it says I broke the max daily loss. It was $529, right? But I don't know where. So so here's day one, made $14, right? I'll zoom in a little bit. Made $14. Here's day two, made $39, lost $40, and then the next day lost $200, and then the next day after that lost $267. The next day after that lost $245, and then I'm still trading. I won. Next day after that one up $77. Next day after that, up 39. Next day after that, up 11. Next day after that, up 113. And then something was telling me, because I do not check my 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 FTMO site and statistics and all that every day. I just trade, you know. And something told me like, yo, check your account. Check your account, bro. I checked my account and it showed that I had already blown the account. It showed that I blew the account all the way October 7th. On October 7th, I blew the account and I was just like, how did I blow the account? Like, I don't know. Like, maybe I'm just not understanding something properly. Like, I don't know how I blew this account because none of these days are $500 days. Like, these are big losses for a 10K account. These are big losses. Yes, they are. But I did not, like, max daily loss is $500. I did not hit that for any of these days. Like, yeah, 3 days in a row, I was down, I lost 200 something dollars. But even that didn't hit me, make me hit the max loss. You feel me? I almost hit the max loss, but didn't hit the max loss. Still off by like $115 or so, $114 or wait, literally $14. Um, so I'm not sure. I reached out to support. Support, they were not helpful of really explaining anything. So I don't know how. I don't know how I'll blew this account. Very, very frustrating. Like, I'm not gonna cap, extremely frustrating. But I do not know how I blew this account. So yeah, let's look at the stats here. So win rate was horrible. Like, win rate was horrible. Average profit is horrible because the average loss is higher. So horrible, 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 man. So I just gotta do better, man. I just gotta do better. I have to do better to the point where I can't have any like what happens. You know what I'm saying? Because I shouldn't be taking on a 10K account. I shouldn't be having losses of $200, $280, $240, $260. Like, that should not be a thing. So either way, I need to do better. But still, I don't know how I blew this account. But yeah, man, we're gonna keep it going. We're gonna stick with 10K accounts for a while, actually. I'm trying to get a lot of 10K accounts, to be truthful with you, and then get some 100K accounts or so. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. We're going to keep going. We're going to stay disciplined, man. We're going to stay disciplined. We're going to get that win rate up. It doesn't need to be up too high, but I need to flip these two, man. This is what I need to flip. I need to flip my average loss and my average profit. So the win rate, it can matter, but if I can flip these two, then I don't need this to matter so much. So that's my goal, is to really flip these two. So thank you guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you.